You got a grill? You've got a pizza oven with the Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven for Grill Kit. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's take a closer look. The Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven is designed to fit on most standard 18-inch charcoal, gas, or propane grills. It comes with a 15-inch cordierite pizza stone and a hand-adjustable foldable pizza peel. And there's also a recipe book included, so you can make your best-tasting pizza every time. On top, there's a handy thermometer and sturdy handles on the side for easy transport. Now, while the pizza stone is 15 inches, we decided not to have the pizza reach the very edge, so we settled somewhere between 12 and 14 inches. That cordierite pizza stone helps cook the pizza base evenly, giving you that authentic stone-baked taste. So, what do we like about the Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven for Grill Kit? Firstly, it's great not having to buy a whole brand new unit. This works with most standard backyard barbecues. We love that there's no assembly needed, and most people can cook a fantastic pizza without referring to the instruction manual. So what don't we like? The temperature gauge did seem to overestimate at times, and we ended up sliding a few pizzas in for a few minutes more to finish cooking. But as long as we kept an eye on things, they always turned out great. So, what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? There's only really one thing you need to know, and for most it's going to be pretty obvious, but warning signs are there for a reason. While the handles are great for lugging the pizza oven around, they heat up when in use and stay hot long after finishing. Invest in some oven mitts, or be prepared to wait until it cools down before grabbing with your bare hands. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Geras Outdoor Pizza Oven for Grill Kit? Mamma mia, we love our pizza, and this makes it so easy. We're giving a 9 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got two options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for only $179.90. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.